Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Shah Waliullah High School. Welcome to the class 6. Students, first we look at the contents. Section A, Biology, Chapter 1 to Chapter 6. Section B, Chemistry, Chapter 7 to Chapter 10. And Section C, Physics, Chapter 11 to Chapter 14. Students, in previous lecture, we covered Chapter 1 and Chapter number 2. Today our third lecture, Chapter number 7, Air Around Us. Today our third lecture, Chapter 7, Air Around Us, in Section B, Chemistry. Okay? Page number 56, Chapter 7, Section B, Chemistry, Air Around Us. Atmosphere. Our earth is surrounded by a thick layer of air. It is called atmosphere. It extends up to 100 km above us. It is thickest at the sea level, but so thin at high mountain altitudes that it becomes difficult to breathe. That's why mountain climbers and sea divers take oxygen cylinder with them to assist their breathing. Air is matter. As you know, students, matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Air is also a matter because all other materials things it occupies space and has weight. Air occupies space and air has also weight. To show air occupies space, in this experiment, take a balloon and blow air into it by your mouth. The balloon increases in size. The balloon increases in size. The size of the balloon increases further if more air is blown into it. This experiment shows that air occupies space. ये experiment हमें show करता है कि हवा जगह घेरती है. आपने देखा कि एक empty balloon, it has no air, but if we blow air into it by your mouth, the balloon is increase in size. This experiment shows air occupies space. Now second, air has weight. हवा वज़न भी रखती है. एक्सपेरिमेंट, इसे हम शो करेंगे एक्सपेरिमेंट के साथ. एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करने के लिए हमें नीड है 3 ऑब्जेक्ट्स की. नंबर 1 स्ट्रेट स्टिक, नंबर 2 one empty balloon and one air filled balloon, and number 3 thread. First we take a straight stick, tie a thread in the middle. Okay, one side tie a empty balloon and one side tie a air-filled balloon. So this experiment shows that air has weight. Look at this, students. An air-filled balloon is titled down because air has weight, but an empty balloon is up. I hope you will better understand. Now page number 58, water vapors in air. हवा में आबी बुखारात. Gases form of water is called water vapors. Gaseous form of water is called water vapors. Air contains water vapors. The amount of water vapor in the air determined in the humidity. The greater the amount of water vapors in the air, the greater is the humidity. Humidity is generally higher in the rainy season. To show this experiment, take a glass and place some pieces of ice in it. After some time, you will notice a small drop of water on the outer surface of the glass. Where have these droplets of water come from? It is due to water vapors present in the air. Water vapors condense on the cold surface of the glass and form droplets of water. Dear students, this experiment perform at your home. Okay. Now the lecture air pressure. Air pressure. The pressure exerted by the air is called atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the air is called atmospheric pressure. Measurement of air pressure. The air pressure can be measured by instrument known as barometer. There are two types of barometer. Number 1, mercury barometer. Number 2, Android barometer. Mercury barometer. Mercury barometer is the simplest device to measure atmospheric pressure at a location. A mercury barometer consists of a graduated glass tube about 1 meter 100 centimeter long. Now come on the Android barometer. Android barometer consists of thin wall metallic box from which the air has been removed. Android barometer is an instrument for measuring pressure as a method that does not involve liquid. मर्करी बैरोमीटर हमारे पास एक लिक्विड बैरोमीटर है, लेकिन एंड्रॉयड बैरोमीटर में कोई लिक्विड इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता, मर्करी इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता, पारा इन्वॉल्व नहीं होता. मर्करी इज़ नॉट यूज in this type of barometer, so it is also called dry barometer. इसलिए इसे dry barometer भी कहा जाता है. Now students, I hope you understand. Air around us. This is your assignment. Read the lesson carefully and fill it. Okay students, we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.